Let's discuss ways to quickly learn difficult subjects by improving the study habits and routines. A lot of students actually desire a balance where they can easily understand subjects in less time, especially difficult subjects. And this can only be achieved through consistent efforts and study habits. So I'm going to be giving you 8 strategies that can help you to learn difficult subjects in less time. Number 1 is active recall and passive review. Instead of you just reading notes, students should actively recall concepts by testing themselves. This helps them retain information. Do a lot of practice questions on the subject that you have been taught or you have read. Do a lot of practice questions. You get better by doing that. Number 2 is by using Pomodoro technique with a focused study habit. Pomodoro technique used with focused study improves students' learning by keeping them focused for 25 minutes and taking breaks. That is, you're going to be having break after 25 minutes. It focuses your mind on whatever you're learning. Number 3 is spaced repetition. Spaced repetition, that is repeated at increasing intervals, will definitely help students to review information and remember it better. You cannot learn a concept once, so you need to repeat. You need to read more than one time before you can have a mastery of it. Number 3 is by using visual learning tools. Visual learning tools like mind maps or diagrams will definitely help you to organize information, breaking it down into smaller manageable portions, especially abstract topics. Try to create a mind map, try to get a diagram so that you can easily connect it with something tangible, concrete. Number 5 is to stay consistent with lessons. Attend classes. Consistency in learning new subjects every day leads to better results. You can get better by practicing, by learning, by attending classes. Teach others what you know. Teaching others allow you to process concepts and explain them. Make them easier for others to understand. So when you teach, you're learning the same thing more than once and you get better at it. And you cannot give out what you don't have. Number 7 is to break down small tasks. That is, break down subject into smaller tasks. Definitely will help students to feel less overwhelmed. Focus on one element at a time. When you're looking the whole textbook at once, you feel overwhelmed, or you're looking at a whole topic at once. Break it down into smaller portions. And the last one is to utilize online resources like app, websites, CBT practice material. You have access to different materials because on the online space, there are a lot of materials there for you to learn. By incorporating these tips into your routine, your daily study habits, you can quickly learn difficult subjects effectively and you can excel in any examination that you plan to write. Thank you very much. For result-oriented classes, reach out to DEE Tutors. We have physical classes. We also have online classes. We have private classes. We have group classes. We have a lot of options available for students. It depends on your availability. So we've helped several students to excel in the exams in the past and at the moment, and we are still doing it. So we love you to reach out to us to help you with your different exams. JAMB UTME for 2025 preparation is in progress. If you really want to excel in the exam, early proper preparation definitely prevents poor performance. If you haven't started studying, preparing for the exam, we have January, we have February, we have March. Exam is starting on the 18th of April. So you can't just take it for granted. So there is a place of preparation that will definitely help you to build your confidence, your mastery, and being able to have a perfect score in the exam you're planning to write. And we do nothing at DEE Tutors than to help you to excel in that exam. So please reach out to us. We don't only help you to excel, we also ensure that your academic dream of gaining admission to university is ascertained by our top-notch consultancy. Thank you.